Welcome back to Christy's Cooking Corner. I just wanted to show you the end result of our blueberry muffins that we made earlier. They're so yummy, so delicious. Oh, I love them. There is one thing I didn't mention. There are a couple variations you can do with the blueberry muffins. Is that you can do a streusel topping on top. I didn't do that because it's too sweet for me for something like breakfast. It just kind of, it's very delicious, but it's very overwhelming sometimes when you want something just simple and easy for breakfast in the morning. Another trick you can do is you can sweeten up your blueberries a little bit with some sugar before adding them into the batter. But I like the really tart taste of the blueberry when it's in there, just in the muffin. And don't forget, blueberries are a great antioxidant that my kids always call a superhuman food. There you go, a superhuman food for you. So there's a great recipe with a superhuman food, and I hope you really enjoy these blueberry muffins that we made today. Thank you very much.